Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your consumer cellular flip phone is not receiving incoming calls, you may still be able to make outgoing calls while callers are sent straight to voicemail. Hear a busy signal or simply can't reach your phone. The cause is not always the cellular signal. Consumer cellular's IRS Easy Flip includes specific block numbers, call forwarding, answer options, and additional settings. So checking those call controls can help identify why incoming calls are not reaching you. Here are the steps you need to try to fix the issue. 1. Open call settings. Then click on block numbers and remove any unwanted block numbers. 2. Check call forwarding and make sure the calls are not being redirected. 3. Review answer options and enable flip open if you want call answer by opening the phone. 4. Check additional settings. For that, go to caller ID and confirm the call settings are configured normally. 5. Test the phone by calling it from a different number.